Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. We have done the factor tree, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give some more questions. Yesterday I could not take the class, remedial class.
Ma'am,
Yes?
yesterday you didn't send homework.
Okay. Today I will send. Factor tree or HCF? Both. Today I will send factor tree and HCF. Yesterday I could not take the remedial class, children. So most probably tomorrow, today I have class till 5 o'clock. So it is not possible. When I reach, it will be 6 o'clock. Okay. So shall I take in the next week or this week? I will anyway today or tomorrow. Today or tomorrow I'll take remedial. I send the message. Not today, tomorrow most probably. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So only very less children came today. So good afternoon. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll start drawing the factor tree. Some questions I'll give you. Will you do it? Factor
Yes,
tree.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1 minute.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon. Okay. So next question. Question number 3, I think. Question number 3. Is it question number 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 3. Draw the factor tree of 60.
Yes, ma'am.
Draw the factor tree of 60.
Excuse me, ma'am.
First you do the prime factorization with the 2. Okay. Then yes. Somebody are calling me.
Ma'am, this is the third question, right?
Yes.
Combination
Yes.
of the last class.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
can you explain factor tree?
Factor tree, no. Yeah, we will write the factors, right? So what is our first step? We will write 1 into 60 equal to 60, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then that step no need of doing. What is our next step? 2 into 2 into
30.
2 into
30.
30. So that is the first one. When you draw 60 down, if it is even number, you divide with 2, you will get 2 into 30, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now with the 2 is already a prime number, no need of doing anything with the 2, that you will keep like that. But 30 you can do again factors. If it is even
3
number,
into
again
10.
you can do. Yes?
3 into 10.
3 into 10. Again, if you, Anna thought of giving 3 into 10, but sometimes Ravana thought of giving 2
3
into
into 10.
15. 2 into 15.
15.
5
So
into 6.
that is according to you. According to you. Somebody, other people will be 5 into 6, they will write. Okay. So lot of ways are there to make the factor tree. But ultimate, that branches at the top will be the same prime numbers. I'll show you. So 30, even I thought of giving 2 into, because it is any even number, I thought of giving 2 into 15. Okay. Again, 15, it is not possible to do with the 2. So I thought of giving 3 into 5. Okay, it's already prime. Now look at the top branches. 2, 2, 3, 5. Clear? Again, sometimes if any student thought of giving this 30 as 3 into 10. No problem, you give as you like, 3 into 10. Then 10 you can write as 2 into 5. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Then you look at here 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5. Again the same 2 2s, 1, 3, 5. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever ways you take, but last will be same. Okay?
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am.
So this is factor tree. Now if you have any doubt, you ask me now.
No,
Shall I
ma'am.
give you some more questions?
Yes,
No?
ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Um, I'll give the fourth question. Draw the factor tree of 48.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
can you repeat the question? Because
Draw the factor tree of 48. Okay. Did you finish?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm late to the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 48. even number, no? So better make it as 2 into 24 or 6 into 8. 6 8s are 48.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then 24, how will you do again?
2 into 12.
Then 12 it is possible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. 2
8
into,
into 6.
6.
it's okay, very good.
2
2 into 6.
6,
Now
12.
6 is possible.
2 into 3.
So sometimes many of you might have done like this, 6 into 8 and 6,
2 into 3.
2 into 3 and 8 is 2
8 is
into
2 into
4.
4.
4 is again, you can write 2 into 2.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
look at the branches. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s and 1 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s and 1 3. Correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So which all ways you can do? The answer is same.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll give one more question. Draw the factor tree of 64. Draw the factor tree of 64.
$64, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, when should we show the activity?
Hmm?
Ma'am, when should we show the activity?
Answer kiya.
Ma'am, when should we show the activity? Ma'am,
Wait.
zero.
Activity is there with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I will give one date, not now. Children, let me ask you. After this, I will tell you one thing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Before that, not today. Anyway, tomorrow I will show you. Tomorrow. Tomorrow I will explain about that. One project is there. I'll explain tomorrow, not today. Okay. Whichever factors you will get, you do it that. Sometimes you may think of 8 into 8, 64. Sometimes 16 into 4. Sometimes 2 into 32. Anyway.
Ma'am, finish.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Okay. So 64. 64. Okay. Which one you took? 8 into 8 or 2 into 32?
Ma'am, 8 into 8.
8 into 8. I'll take 8 into 8. Now?
Ma'am, I took 2 into
Ma'am, 4
32.
into 2.
It's okay.
4 into 2. 4 into 2. Then 2 into 2. In 4, 2 into 2. Both. In 4, 2 into 2.
2 into 2. Okay.
Other side also 2 into 2.
2 into 2. All twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay then. Again, if you want, I will draw with 2 into 32. Hmm? All branches, it is very nice to see because all branches, it is 2, 2, 2 only. The fruits are all 2s. 2, 2. Fruits of this tree are all 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here all this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am, next question.
You want factor tree itself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Eh? No need of
Yes, ma'am.
studying any other thing?
Now, ma'am, some more questions.
Okay, okay. I'll give us a homework. One more question. Okay. One more question.
Okay, ma'am.
Draw the factor tree of 50. Draw the factor tree of 50. Oh, 50, 50.
Ma'am, finish writing.
Yes, ma'am. This is very
Finish?
easy. Yes.
Finish?
Yes, ma'am. Only some are there.
Ma'am, finish writing.
Okay, children. 50. 5 into 10 or 2 into 25?
5 into
And
10.
5 into 10.
I will draw both.
Ten. 2, 5 into 2.
Okay.
Yes,
5,
ma'am.
5 and 2.
Ma'am, I did both.
Okay, children. Now, ay. Okay. Okay, children. Now we were moving to the last topic of this chapter. Word problems using LCM and HCF. But you won't understand. When you see the word problem, you won't understand which this can be done very easily with the LCM and HCF. Okay, children, these questions will come as the competitive exams. Like if you are appearing for Byju's Learning App or any competitive mental ability questions, all these questions will come under this category, LCM and HCF. You won't understand. If you study LCM and HCF, you can use LCM and HCF and find the answer very easily. Otherwise, you will be doing it, but you won't get the answer also. If you are doing LCM, it is very easy to find. Okay. So it is, next topic is, last one, some problems on LCM and HCF.
Okay, ma'am.
Write the heading. Some problems on LCM and HCF. Some problems on LCM and HCF.
Ma'am, we should write this.
Yes. And write the first question. Two tankers contain 850 liters and 680 liters of kerosene respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the kerosene of both the tankers when used an exact number of times.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Yes. After writing, I will explain.
I finished writing, ma'am.
I'm finished.
Okay.
Louder.
Okay, children. When you get such kind of questions, you have to search for one word. Okay, children. That word is maximum capacity. Okay, so we have LCM and HCF.
Yes, ma'am.
LCM is least
Common multiple.
HCF is highest
Common
common factor. So maximum means you understood maximum.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
When the word is maximum, largest, highest, then which indicates bigger one, highest, maximum, longest. Okay, if the word comes like that, you should use HCF.
Okay, ma'am.
If minimum, least, smallest, if those words comes, you should use LCM. Okay, children. And I will tell you how to use it. Actually, this question comes like this. There are two tankers. Okay. Contain 850 liters and 680 liters of kerosene. Two tanker lorries, suppose. Okay. And two tankers are there. Two tankers or two tanks. And we have to take this kerosene from the tankers using a container. Okay. Okay, children. So there are two tankers. Tankers and full of kerosene. We have to take a container to take this kerosene out of the tanker. Okay. In such a way that no kerosene should be remain in the tanker. we have to take fully 1 cup. Suppose it is a cup, 1 cup fully. Again, second cup. Like that, 1 container we need. And no, it should be filled completely. And no kerosene should be there, remains in the container. Okay, children, 1 minute. Okay. When you take the kerosene from the container, from the tanker, we have a bucket or a cup. We should fill the container with the kerosene. Okay. And completely fill. Always when you take, if it is 3 times we are taking, these 3 times it should be completely filled. And there should not be any kerosene inside the tanker. Clear, children? There should not be any kerosene or the oil inside the tanker. So completely divides, completely take. Completely means, what did you mean? Completely divisible. You understood the meaning? Completely divisible means there should be any remainder. There should not be any remainder. Clear? There should not be any remainder. Completely divisible. So there we are getting the concept of factor. If one number is a factor, if 2 is a factor of 10 means we can completely divide 10 by 2. Clear, children?
Yes,
Yes. So like that, 1 container which is completely filled, we should take the full container of kerosene without anything, without any remainder. Reminder, kerosene should be 0. Balance kerosene should be 0. Clear, children? There we are getting the concept of HCF, highest common factor. Clear? So in this particular question, we should find the HCF of what is the capacity?
850 liters and 680 liters.
850 and 680. Okay, how will you do it? Tell me how to do. We will together will do. You help me to do. Which is a common number in this?
2.
and 2.
Okay. With the 2 we will divide. Then 4.
5.
4.
5.
Yes. 2. 5. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes,
Yes.
400 and 400, 800, right? 25 plus 25, 50.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
425. Now,
Next 340, ma'am.
340. Very good. 340. Again, common number. Only we can divide with the common number. 2 is not possible. Shall we do with 5? 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
5.
5.
8. 5. 85. See, children, you should know how to divide downwards. One day I will teach you how to divide downwards. Okay. Now it is not time for me these usual days. If any day if I get free, I will teach you how to divide downwards. Okay, children. Next one is 68. Okay, children. Now, now children, it is no other number, only 17. With 17 only we can divide. 85 is a multiple of 17. No other number. Common number is 17 is the common number, prime number. Okay. So, how many times, children?
Is it 5?
Yes, 5. And here?
3. 3.
17. Here, 4. 8, no, 8. So, 28. 8 should come. 8 should come. So, 17 into 4. 7 into 4 is 28.
Ma'am, by
Correct? Check.
70.
4. Okay. So what is the HCF?
Ma'am,
2 into 5 into
5
10,
into 5.
17. What is the answer here, children? 2 into 5, 2 into 5. What is the answer?
170, 170. Ma'am,
Ah,
170.
we are
So
using
170 is
that
answer.
associative property. 2 into 5 is 10.
Yes, ma'am.
17 into 10 is 170.
170.
See, children, 170
76.
liters. Okay. 170 liters. If you have a container, 170 liters. If you take that container, 170 liters, to pour that tanker, oil tankers, kerosene. Now, no kerosene will be balanced. It should be completely filled. Okay, because with 170 we can divide 850 and 680 without any reminder. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay.
maximum capacity of the required container. Yes. Hello. Container is 170 liters. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
Now finish.
Yes.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Finish writing.
Yes.
Ma'am, I finished
Okay,
writing.
children, shall I give the next one?
Yes.
Shall
Yes,
I
ma'am.
raise the board?
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
Yes.
I'll chat to finish. I'll just take a screenshot. Otherwise.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, finish.
Okay. So, next question. Second question. Three boys step off together. Step off together. Step off together from the same spot. From the same spot. Same spot. Their steps measures. Their steps measures. Steps measures 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter, and 77 centimeter. 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance? What is the minimum distance? Minimum distance. What is the minimum distance? Each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. All can cover the distance in complete steps.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Okay.
I finished writing.
Okay,
I
children.
finished writing.
Okay, I will explain this in the next period.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it
Okay,
last
ma'am.
period for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
420.
Okay, 420.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I'll explain this question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
All of
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay, write it. Okay. Okay, children. So shall I wind up the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll explain the
Ma'am.
question.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Okay, thank you.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.